so today I decided to do a struggle meal, but make it gourmet. So we're gonna have a struggle meal that's basically bougie, you know, put some scrimps in there and just do it up. So right now we are going to we're going to the Asian food market. That's what it is. We're going to the Asian food market and we're gonna get some noodles, some instant noodles, not Mr. Noodle, those other noodles.
Some ramen.
Exactly. I feel like low-key, a lot of people try and diss ramen when it's actually such a good noodle. It's so blessed. Like,
put the camera on me quick. Alright, so like when I was younger, right? I'm talking about elementary school days. I used to have ramen on the regs. Like, I used to go to the States. I was like, what do you guys got here? And my cousin's like, oh, my mom cooks food all the time. You're good. I was like, nah. Take me to the store. I want to get ramen. Because they used to have this cool, we had Mr. Noodles, but they had like this instant ramen pack. It was like Mr. Noodles, but it tastes better. So like I used to have a whole bunch of that. So growing up, I always loved ramen, you know what I mean? But it's only until like I turned like 18, I started seeing people diss ramen like it's some struggle meal or whatever. I'm like, what? I used to have that all the time. Imagine we're struggling.
No, seriously, it does taste good. It tastes really good. Like the noodles itself, like have a good flavor to it. Like, and I just like, I like the texture of it. Like it's definitely different from like a pasta or like any type of penne or whatever the case may be. So it's good, and it's not even like a chow mein noodle either. It's just different, and it's blessed. And like people need to stop dissing it because it's actually a blessed noodle. But we're gonna make it our own, and we'll show you how we are gonna do that.
Stay tuned.
COVID-19 times, so that requires us to stand in some line sometimes, and I'm gonna jump out now and freaking stand in the line. I hate doing that, and it's cold outside, and it's May, so our lives right now are pretty beat. Anyway, he'll meet up with us later. Just gotta get in the line before somebody gets in line before me. You feel me? But yeah, this is basically our lives now. It's pretty disgusting. We can't do anything. We always have to be 6 feet away from people. And this is what it takes to make your own food at this point. And the thing with the Asian markets, they're very cheap, good price, and they have everything you could think of. If you're Caribbean descent, you know that a lot of Asian foods are the same. Yes, I am. A lot of Asian foods and Caribbean foods are almost like the same. This guy's kind of close. You feel me? But I'm just waiting for Dubai to get here because I don't want to be in the line by myself. People are just staring. But yeah. So they have pretty good procedures here. You know, they give us a mask and they spray our hands with what's his face? Hand sanitizer. We're getting green onion now. Hope my makeup's not ruined after this, but better safe than sorry, you know? That's what I always say. We got what we needed. It took like 30 minutes.
We got two things.
The store was really packed. I guess everybody's, getting ready for Mother's Day, so that's why everybody's in shambles right now, running to make sure their wives, their baby mamas, everybody's well and fed, grandmothers, and all the above. Any mother figure. So it was really, really packed in there. I had to tell somebody to back off! Back off! Right, Jabari?
It's still. Luckily, he was like, "Oh yeah, okay, sorry."
No, yeah, he was good. Like he understood. Like yeah, like man, you're pretty close. Like I was like, can you please?
If he didn't, oh my gosh,
yeah,
unnecessary problems.
Like, does he not realize we're in a pandemic? Not regular times, but even in regular times, you gotta look over your shoulder. Like you're too close. I don't even know you.
You don't know me like that.
Like, no, seriously. Like, I don't know if you bathed this morning. Like I don't know anything. Yeah, so now we're finally on our way. How How much did that cost us? Like what? Cost you $10 just to get the packet, but we got the packet of how much?
Of 5.
Of 5, so that's pretty good. And then we just got green onion because that's the only thing we're missing from my home. And we have those spicy packs. I don't even know what they're called. Oh, we'll show you when we get home. So yeah, then we have to do the shrimp. I'm actually excited. Like, this is supposed to be a blast because it tastes best like by itself. So imagine when we spruce it up. But yes, see you in a bit. Okay, so what we have for ingredients for our struggle meal turn bougie is green onion, like I said before. These are the hot noodles that we're gonna use. The sauce is so good. So good. It's like really hot, but it tastes really good. And then to enhance the flavor, we're gonna use this spicy Grace packet. Recommended by Jabari, right Jabari? And we're gonna add some shrimps. Right now it's just in some water, some vinegar and lemon to get rid of that like fishy smell. And then we are going to obviously season that and get everything ready. We'll be back. So I just finished peeling off the shrimp. Garlic's cut. I'm gonna put some garlic in there just for a flavor. Some garlic salt. Who doesn't love garlic salt? Flavor. Very simple. A little bit of all-purpose. A little bit of salt. You don't need too much because there's gonna be the soup part in it, right? So it's gonna soak up that saltiness anyway. And some black pepper. Black pepper just goes good with anything. Everything. It's bomb. Let me get a spoon. If you're experienced, you use the knife. Shrimp's looking good. Smelling good. And we are done here, and we're gonna get the soup started. It's pouring in. That's spicy. This you're actually gonna have to wait for it to cook and stuff because it takes a little bit longer than the regular. Meanwhile, my mom's making chicken foot soup on the side. Look at it! Look at it! Okay. The ramens now. We used 3 packs. And now we're just adding some more green onion. And Jabari's just, you know, doing his due diligence. It's good. When we put the pack in, it'll be really good. Oh, yeah, it tastes okay. Okay, now open the pack. Okay, I think that's good. It's cooking well.
Great indicator that you know shrimp is cooked. It turns color. So you don't have to be a scientist. You know it's cooked.
Wow, this ramen looks pretty dang good. Our struggle meal turn bougie is working out. Wow. That looks good, Jabari. Wow.
You're like blown away by this.
Because I would never think to do this. And voila. It is ready. Yeah, because I don't want the noodles overcooked. Wow.
The duck pimento?
No. Okay, whoa. It's good though. It's good.
Need some for I can taste, please. Can I taste?
So wicked. First is the mother.
Oh, it's gonna be too hot.
It's good.